In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track when people open emails in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to enhance your email marketing strategy, knowing when and how your audience engages with your emails can provide valuable insights and help you tailor your communications for better results. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in or sign up for a HubSpot account if you haven't done so already. If you're new to HubSpot, don't worry. Signing up is a straightforward process, and you'll be guided through the setup. Once you're logged in, your journey to mastering email tracking begins. Next, you'll want to head over to your HubSpot account settings. This is your control center, where you can tweak various options to fit your marketing needs. To access the settings, look for the gear icon, typically found in the upper right corner of your HubSpot dashboard. Clicking this will lead you to a robust selection of settings, but for our purpose today, we're going to focus on the email settings. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the marketing section and then click on email. This is where HubSpot houses its email configuration settings, which are essential for getting the most out of your communications. Think of it as the nerve center for all your email marketing activities. In the email settings, you'll see a tab labeled Tracking. Go ahead and click on this tab. The tracking section is crucial because it provides the tools you need to understand your email engagement. Here you'll find various options that allow you to track how your audience interacts with your emails. Now, ensure that the Track Email Opens setting is toggled on. This feature is incredibly valuable. It lets you know when a recipient has opened your email, giving you insights into engagement. To turn on this feature, simply flip the switch next to Track Email Opens so that it appears activated. If it's already turned on, you're good to go. Additionally, HubSpot gives you the option to configure tracking for clicks on links within your emails. This means you can track not just when an email is opened, but also how recipients engage with the content by clicking on links. It's a powerful way to gauge interest and follow up with your contacts accordingly. If you're interested in this feature, make sure you explore and enable it within the same tracking tab. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effectively tracking email opens in HubSpot, gaining valuable insights into your audience's behavior, and optimizing your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.